I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by infusing flavor into the dairy so the custard and tea taste unified. Heat cream gently to just below simmer, about 80 degrees C, then add the black tea and steep 5 to 7 minutes. Strain to remove leaves. Meanwhile, whisk 4 egg yolks with 1/3 cup sugar until light and slightly thickened. This creates structure and sweetness. Once the cream is warm and tea-infused, temper the yolks slowly by pouring a few tablespoons of hot cream into the eggs while whisking continuously to avoid scrambling. Once tempered, strain the custard mixture to eliminate any curdled bits and pour evenly into ramekins. Place ramekins in a baking dish, add hot water to come halfway up the sides, and bake at 150 degrees C for 35 to 40 minutes until centers wobble but aren't liquid. This low, slow bake yields a silky texture. While they bake, make the milk tea by steeping strong black tea in hot milk for 3 to 4 minutes. Sweeten as desired. Then cool slightly so it blends with the chilled custard without melting it. To finish, either scoop chilled custard into glasses and pour milk tea over it, or gently blend a portion of custard into the milk tea for a creamy texture. Then return to chill for 1 to 2 hours so flavors meld. Right before serving, evenly sprinkle about 2 teaspoons sugar atop the exposed custard surface and caramelize with a kitchen torch until it becomes amber and crisp. You can also use a very hot broiler for 1 to 2 minutes. If the sugar won't caramelize, dry the surface and torch in short bursts to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.